Subscribe to semperBKReactions.
semperBKReactions family, as I told you before, listen to me when I tell you, this is not a cop bashing channel. Why would I bash cops? And I used to be a police officer myself, and I was a good one. And I know a bunch of good ones as well. I know some great ones, right? This is not a cop bashing channel. So keep it with that in mind. I made another video and I said, I'm gonna keep making more of these videos like this, right? To highlight the great things police officers are doing. And today, this one, right? We all the way in this country ass Missouri city, but I gotta salute these officers for what they did for that content creator out of Philadelphia. Yo, let's get right into this video right now and react to it.
This me on some weird stuff. What's up, man?
What's up, Zay?
What's good? Oh, you already know my name, huh?
You know, watch your stuff.
Love. I thought y'all was about to, you mean with me, though.
We got a call because when you're where there was no shoulder.
Oh, yeah.
We got a call that you there where you're gonna get hit.
Oh, all right, yeah.
If you were still where there was no shoulder, I was gonna just get behind you so you can get to where there is one.
That's love, bro.
Yeah.
That's my man from the other day.
Oh yeah.
I think. Yo, I seen you the other day, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yesterday.
Looks like he's got water. I was just about to ask you.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yeah. That's cool, man. I'm not even joking. I saw you the other day. I started watching. How are you feeling?
I'm good, bro. You know, it's just human out here.
Yeah.
Human, bro.
Yeah.
Superhuman, bro.
You gotta be running by now.
Yeah, I know. But there ain't no shoulders down there. I couldn't even run. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you, my guy. Thank you, bro.
Good. All right, thanks. Yeah.
They'd be able to stay at Walmart, but he said, I guess we can't. So,
I'm talking to me and this guy. He's a fucking dickhead.
oh yeah, you
See that hat? When he gets out, he's got a
How's it going?
what's going on with y'all, man?
He's doing his Philly to California walk.
Life on the line every day. Appreciate y'all. God bless y'all.
Good luck, man.
All right, bro.
How awesome was that? How awesome was that? These officers stopped HMBL Zay, and if you don't know him, go check him out. He's doing great things for his community in Philadelphia. He's doing a cross-country walk, and I think he's like actively still doing it as we speak to try to better his community. HMBL Zay, he's doing a cross-country walk in Missouri, and these police officers recognize and stop him to help him out, give him some water, and just to say, hey, keep up the good work. We need to recognize police like this. They didn't have to do that. They didn't have to stop and give him no water. They didn't have to stop and converse with him. I salute those officers in Missouri. I especially salute HMBL Zay out of Philadelphia for him trying to make a difference in his community. Go follow him on Instagram, follow his journey, and follow semperBKReactions and semperBKClothing.com. I love stuff like this, so we gotta salute these officers. Peace.